How to redeem Shake Shack promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Shake Shack promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get promo code for Shake Shack. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Shake Shack. So open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Simply Codes. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Shake Shack. Just scroll down and check out the offers. You can see that $15 off, 20% off, $30 off, and many more. You can hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on use code. With that, the coupon will be copied and you will be directed to the official website of Shake Shack. Once you're in the official website of it, go ahead and log into your account, make your order, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, you will need to type in the code and then place your order. With that, the code will be redeemed and you'll get certain amount as a discount. So this is how you can easily redeem Shake Shack promo codes. This was really a simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.